All right, we are back in a 2024 BMW M3 CS, and we are at the BMW Performance Driving Center. So we've already driven this car on the street pretty extensively. It is my favorite M3 that I think I've ever driven. It's just fantastic. Really good time. Let's see what it can do out on track. We are following another M3 CS, which should be great. We're gonna put us into manual mode. We've got engine in Sport Plus, chassis in Sport Plus, steering in Comfort, and brake in Sport, and the xDrive all-wheel drive system in four-wheel drive Sport. So all the settings should be as so. Let's go for a few laps and see what these cars can do. Get some heat in this car, let things warm up a bit. This M3 CS is so sharp. All of your inputs, especially on these Cup 2R tires, are just razor sharp. Carbon ceramic brakes. Get some heat in these Michelins. Such sharp turn in. I can actually work on my line this time. Fantastic course out here, and you can just see ahead of us we're doing lead follow today. It's a great example of what these cars can do. You can see this M3 CS move around a little bit. It's so neutral, so controllable and well balanced. Pretty unflappable performance here. Just awesome. This xDrive is an amazing all-wheel drive system on track. And of course, you can always put this in rear-wheel drive if you want to slide it around. Turn everything off, and it's a regular M3. Cool down, fantastic, awesome. That was fun. All right, well, I mean, the video speaks for itself. M3 CS round track. Very confident sparring, a lot of grip, a lot of performance. I love the immediacy and the feedback from this car. This has steering feel, it has brake pedal feel. When BMW does these special CS versions of cars, they really do a great job with them. This and the M5 CS are my two favorite M products that BMW's produced the last few years, and they've just done a phenomenal job with them. You're paying a hefty price to get in, and it is limited production, but gosh, it's fun. Okay, let's go drive some more stuff. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that fractionally as much as I did. We'll see you next one. Take care. Put this key back in here. Of course, in the M3 CS, there is no storage.
Yeah, one lap. Yeah, one. 2 laps, we can do that for sure.
Hey, thanks again.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.